Defective headrest. So this one sound is the defective headrest. You can listen now how to replace and remove the headrest. So remove the back cover, then you can see these are the lock. After removing the lock, you can remove the headrest. So this sound was from inside of the headrest, so we have to remove complete headrest. No more chance for repair. Now remove old one and fix new one, then you have to fix the lock. These are the easy lock too. After fixing this, you should try to operate the headrest. It's proper operating.